today from Peter Lee, co-founder and CEO of Pop It Again Limited, a UK entity that is about to realise 2 years of research and development conducted across 3 continents, culminating in patents in the European Union and the United States of America. And we are now ready to do business. Pop It Again have identified a number of exciting applications for drink concentrates and looking to partner clients that see the same value that we see in this innovative, patented technology. The bottle is designed to expand, collapse by the consumer, and retain selected positions as pressure is applied. The bottle is engineered with separate housings or chambers for storing concentrates, liquid or dry, which can be mixed with water or milk by the consumer. If you can see the same value that we see and would wish to discuss how this innovative, patented technology will add value to your business, then please contact me directly or through our website for further information at popitagain.com. Thank you.